Want to know the real difference between people who struggle with money and those who grow it effortlessly? It's not luck, it's habits. In this video, I'll share 9 simple but powerful habits that millionaires use to save money, grow wealth, and stay financially free in 2025. Stick around till the end, because number 9 could completely change how you see money. 1. They pay themselves first. Before paying bills or buying anything, millionaires save for themselves first. They treat saving as a non-negotiable expense. Even if it's just 10% of your income, set it aside automatically every time you earn. Over time, this builds discipline, and your future self will thank you. 2. They budget with clarity. Millionaires know exactly where every dollar goes. They don't guess their spending, they track it. A clear budget helps them control cash flow, cut waste, and stay on goal. Use free budgeting apps or simple spreadsheets to stay accountable. 3. They invest consistently. Millionaires don't let their money sit idle. They invest regularly, whether it's in stocks, index funds, real estate, or online businesses. They understand the power of compound growth. Start small, but start early. Let time grow your wealth. 4. They keep learning. Successful people are lifelong learners. They read books, listen to podcasts, and watch educational videos that expand their financial IQ. Millionaires know that the more they learn, the more they earn. Spend just 15 minutes a day learning something new about money or success. 5. They network with purpose. Who you spend time with shapes your financial future. Millionaires build connections with people who challenge and inspire them. They know that the right conversations can open new doors, ideas, partnerships, or opportunities. 6. They avoid lifestyle inflation. When income increases, most people spend more. Millionaires don't. They resist the urge to upgrade every time they earn extra. Instead, they invest the difference and let their money grow faster. Wealth isn't about showing off, it's about staying free. 7. They build multiple income streams. Millionaires never depend on one paycheck. They create multiple income streams, side hustles, investments, online ventures, or royalties. Each stream adds security and freedom. Start with one idea, build it up, then move to the next. 8. They set clear financial goals. Every millionaire knows where they're headed financially. They set measurable goals, weekly, monthly, and yearly, and review them often. Having a clear target makes saving and investing more meaningful. If you can measure it, you can grow it. 9. They master their money mindset. The greatest secret? Millionaires think differently about money. They see opportunities, not obstacles. They believe money is a tool, not a problem. Train your mind to think abundance, not limitation. Because once your mindset changes, your bank account follows. So there you have it, the 9 simple habits of millionaires to save money in 2025. Start with one habit today and keep building from there. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight, but it is built daily through small, smart actions. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more financial tips, and share it with someone who's ready to level up their money game. Your millionaire journey starts now.